How are you all? I hope you are good. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe as per goal and hit the bell icon. You will get all the notifications and updates regularly. And you are with me, Shruti Magesh. In this video, let us look at the crystallization. This is the part 2 of the filtration or the purification of the organic compound after filtration. And this is an easy experiment which can be performed easily in your home. Now let us look at the experiment and the details. Aim. Our aim is to crystallize the salt, which is table salt. We have it here. And what are the materials required? We require a cup of water, a spatula or the spoon, salt. We usually store salt in this container, so I use this container. So this is a ceramic container, and a flat vessel so that we can easily dissolve the salt, a filter and a thread. And you can use an induction stove, or you can also use the normal stove in your home. Now let's start. Procedure. Now I pour a cup of water. Let this water to boil. I am using a filtered water, that is the RO purified water, so that no impurities is present in this water. This experiment is actually done to remove the impurities present in water. So let it boil for some time. So salt is actually not powder, it is actually these are small crystals, see. So these are actually small crystals. In this method we are going to obtain the large crystals of this salt. Now our liquid or the solvent which we use. Now look, our solvent started to boil. We are using the water as the basic solvent. Let it be for some time. After that, let us add salt by pinch, so that until the stage very little amount of salt is left to not dissolve. Now let us add. We will add few by few so that we will get the proper amount. Now it's dissolving completely. So this is the method of supersaturation. What is supersaturation is that the dissolution of water is increased by heating the solvent. Normal dissolution takes place at a particular concentration of the salt. Now we have increased the concentration of the salt, and here it is supersaturation. So these things left behind are not salt, these are actually the impurities. So these are left behind as undissolved in the solvent. So see, these are not salt, these are actually the impurities. Don't get confused that these are actually salt which is left undissolved. So let us add few more. So if you want to do this experiment, you can easily do this experiment, but please get your assistance from your mother so that you won't get harmed with the stove or with the heat which is given out by the vessel. So salt is actually prepared by the evaporation of seawater. I have even saw that experiment in nature. So if you want to check that out, I'll give that photo or video later in this video. Now I could not go due to the lockdown. Look at the color change. So it has started to look a pale color. See, these much impurities are present in even the table salt. See, actually my mom is assisting me in this experiment so that I won't get any harm. You can get your help from any other elders in your home, and you can easily prepare pure salt in your home itself. See, even after the dissolution we mixed it well, some salt is left behind with the impurities. See, some salt is left behind with the impurities. Now we are going to offer the stove and filter it. My mom is actually filtering. See, salt and impurities are left behind. So these are actually not salt, these are actually the impurities which is present in the sand in the coastal area. I'm going to tie this thread with this spoon so that I'll keep this, and the large crystals which will form after few days will get absorbed on the thread. Now let us tie it. I have tied this thread with this spoon. Now let it inside the water. So usually in smaller sections or in smaller classes we study that the egg do not soak inside the salt water, get float on the salt water. Now you can easily look at it. It is not getting immersed in this water. I am trying, but it is actually floating. See, so due to the lesser density, it is not actually getting immersed. See, we have tried much, but it is not soaking completely in the water. So we left it. After getting absorption of water, the thread will immerse into the water. And we leave this solvent or dissolution for a few days undisturbed so that it will form the large crystals. So bye friends, we'll meet again after the formation of large crystals.